Haflong Golf College kita matawar kahino aputak Haflong Town Committee apan pinpur alok kipajir Prabjin pen tawar selam nangji Karbiang Autonomous Council Chairman Akimi apan HDP Bajar Committee lapen Borjan VDC atum Karjo Karlom ada berta long penili berta hanbang thara harmony be non bertang ton pen arjik tha Haflong Golf College along Kachali Resort tum tawar kahino aputak Haflong Town Committee apan papain ko rapli arni pinpur alo pajir pusi Haflong penili tuma pherangke kadnu salong berta nang pale Haflong Golf College kita matawar along kasa urlai ahor mukibui sangti kepangsong gari motor kapasang tap kapasang prulapen PHE alang a pipeline kevak ajok college kedam kevak aphan anta kisung du tanglu pusi college kedun arisu atum ningri alang ditum college kedam matawar prabjin pen selam nangji PHE alang a pipe kevak selam nangji lapen college kedam matawar along sangti akulat terek nangji pusi pacetak alopen Haflong Town Committee a chairman aphan pinpur alopen Than bachini halapu tawar kahino prabjin pen kasalam jiaphan Town Committee a chairman a hin pen pherangke angno lamthe chechak pusi nilitum pherangke kadnu saphan than bachini HDP Bajar Committee lepen Borjan VDC atum Karbiang Autonomous Council Chairman Akimi Longki timung aphan paipain ko rapli ani arju pusi nilitum pherangke kadnu salang bilta nang pade Hamphang along chidia seroy chinghon seroy manpeng chipi donangji Karbiang Autonomous Council Chairman Longki timung laso alam karcho amai along pajir midamsi HDP ahiti kaike kepang thir verje phan Bajar Committee jalina tumaphan chunungri Harlong bi England chepampu pen kepado karcho amai along VDC amai phu pen chenglok binan HDP ahawar along kedo kethe ke dingatum chetong dun Bukatan Subdivision Hanjang Langso Pathok Lawalong Kapathu Bong All Karbiang Long Intersub Association Women Football Kachapate Hanjang Langso Sport Association atum semi final angdeng along ledun lo pusi karnu salang berta nang pale Pai ingko rapli arni Kachapate Hanjang Langso Sport Association atum Dongmoka Sport Association aphan ball pumpen paremsi semi final along an chepale dun Balibathar Sport Association jersey number 10 Sermeli BP aphansi Kepatu ke thek naipu hokpen nong e pajirpon non malam support phan bertamu don poneksina
Claret Beauty Parlor Folong ke chengsi so pinso la pen swarlo phan ki pamara dim Prabjin pen ingpu ponpu kangpu ponji lake pai chikluni phai ingora nerve cap arni Ladak nang litum long ikji lake facial, hair spa, hair straightening, hair cutting, shaving, hair curly, tattoo, body spa, pedicure, lapet, medicare, hayu henlo. Claret Beauty Parlor, Difu Main Market Road, Bharati Lodge near Iron Bridge. Come one, come all. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Difu Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar India.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason selam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Turkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Dihina mo piputat bertalong bangchulo. Khiruni Sport Association pen kibi football league kachapati Khiruni football club si. Sipai pusi Khiruni penili duma penangke ladak bertanang pale. West Karbi Anglong Khiruni along Jakhong Cricket Cap Arni pen kepado football league kachapati Khiruni football club si angdum kiti kachapate chepahai. Prilu football club aphan Khiruni football club atum bolipum thapsi kehai anong e parisim. Pupu angbong football kachapate kelang araraphan aning parong. Khiruni Sport Association pensi kepatu atheng kangwai kachapate padu ada berta bangla pansi kang ton ponilo demi thakme kurwang thu